Welcome to another CAAN tip, where we deliver fencing tips in under 120 seconds. Today, we're breaking down how to choose the perfect fence material without breaking the bank. Whether you're looking for affordability, durability, or style, we've got tips to help you make the best choice for your budget. Let's dive in. First up, if you're looking for a budget-friendly option, chain link fencing is a great choice. It's affordable, easy to install, and lasts around 20 to 30 years with minimal maintenance. Perfect for anyone who needs a functional, no-frills option. For those who want a natural look on a mid-range budget, wood fencing is popular. It's versatile, can be painted or stained, and adds a classic touch to any property. Just remember, maintenance is key. With regular staining and sealing, you can enjoy a wood fence for 15 to 20 years. Next, if you're looking for style and longevity, consider vinyl fencing. It's a bit more of an investment upfront but requires little maintenance and can last over 20 years. Vinyl is resistant to weather and won't need repainting, so it's a solid choice for long-term value. Finally, if durability is your top priority and budget allows, metal fencing like aluminum or wrought iron is unbeatable. With the right coating, metal fences can last over 50 years and add serious curb appeal. Though initially more costly, they require less frequent replacement, making them a worthwhile investment. To summarize, here's a quick guide to matching fences with budgets. For affordability, go with chain link. For a natural look, wood is the way to go. For low maintenance and style, vinyl is your friend. And for the ultimate in durability, metal is the top pick. No matter your budget, there's a fence that's right for you. Just consider how much maintenance you're willing to put in and what look you want for your property. If you found this guide helpful, make sure to like and subscribe for more CAAN tips. Check out our playlist for more. Should you require professional help, you can contact us on this number or on our website. See you next time.